Danger! Man, what is this place? Well, golf carts? Really? Motorcycles, ATVs, and more. Well, this looks interesting. South Main Iron in Paris, Texas. Well, let's take a look at this place, shall we? Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you for joining me on this, non-car video, motorcycles and more. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. South Main Iron. This shop is located on the south side of downtown Paris. Very close to downtown Paris. It is a neat place, so let's do a couple of quick drive-bys out front and around back. I love seeing businesses take advantage of really cool old buildings, don't you? And I think for a bike shop, ATV, and all that kind of jazz, this is the perfect setting. And it's a really, really well done up shop that is so welcoming and so just, old fashioned feeling, old ethics and values. Let's look more. Let's begin, though, with a Google search. You will find them immediately. All kinds of good information just right there. I would say go to their website. There is a plethora of information there, including store hours and location. Now, one thing I really liked is their respect and the fact that they work with first responders. So that is fantastic. From their Facebook page, of which I stole a ton of pictures from, lots of good information on their Facebook page. So all their services, deals that they currently have going and ongoing. So lots of good things to purchase from them and to maintain your two-wheel and four-wheel experiences. So that's really cool. I also like the fact that they've got really neat events, bikes and breakfast burritos. So that's one. Here is music, food truck, and beverages. So that's going to be pretty cool. And then here in October, another customer appreciation event. That's very nice. So here are some more things that I stole from their Facebook page are the fantastic customers. There are tons of them of great variety, and the purchases are of great variety as well. So that really ought to tell you something. Now let's traipse inside, start looking around. I began at the front door, and I'm going counterclockwise. The offices are in the back, and of course there are magnificent machines to check out immediately. So that is very nice. And as you continue around, you get into the apparel department, which is fairly vast, actually. And it looks like they might have some decent deals, but I am not up on apparel pricing. And then as you rotate around further, you get into the service department, service and parts. So that's the director's desk there. And then looking inside, a little bit of eye candy there. I just thought that would be really fun to let you check this out. And then from another couple of positions, I look into the service area. I just really like it. They have really good spacing and all the ramps and lifts, tools, everything you need for all kinds of great work there. So continuing around, getting back to the parts and services desk, and these folks, talked to them for a second. They were very nice. They were a little busy at the moment, but I did get a good picture there. And then right up next to that is the waiting area. And of course, they do such a great job, nobody needs to wait. But they do have water and TV, all the things you would expect. And then through the windows next to that is it's kind of like a staging area and all that kind of jazz for parts and services. So continuing around, more bikes, ATVs, golf carts, and that kind of jazz. So really, really cool. And since I'm using the word jazz a lot, that's a jazzy machine right there. So let's go up into the back and found this gentleman cleaning off a nice golf cart. Ugh, sorry about that. But anyway, he was really cool. Yacked at him for a second. And just a neat walk around. Good to see that they've got a nice cleanup facility there. That was really impressive to me. So really nice around back. Now remember, I do have a Facebook page. So if you want to keep up on all of my video making, where I've gone, what I'm doing, events, or anything like that, all that good jazz, check out my Facebook page and become a friend if you want. So continuing on, South Main Iron really was a fun place to stop. I appreciate meeting Chris and some of the sales crew, service people. They were all really, really nice at South Main Iron, just on the south side of downtown Paris, Texas, with all of their great things that they can do for everybody, all their services, their events, all of that is just wonderful. I really look forward to hitting some of those events. So remember, South Main Iron, Paris, Texas, south side of the square, and just go have a great time checking out their website, Facebook page, and you know what? Just go there and give them a visit. Thank you very much. Bye.